Hi everybody, so in this video we're going to round each of these numbers to the nearest 100 and then multiply to get like an estimate, okay? Which is a great skill. So let's round 399 to the nearest 100. So what do you think that would be? Press pause on the video if you need more time. So that's just one less than 400. So rounding to the nearest 100 means you write like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. It must look like one of these numbers. So whatever one of these numbers it's nearest to, so to speak. So that's nearest to 400. So you round, and again, the 9 comes after the 3. So you round up to 400, right? Now, 298. Round that to the nearest 100. Take your time. Press pause on the video if you need more time. Okay, I'll do it now. So there's a 9 to the right of the 2, so we round up. If this number is 5 or more, we round up. If this number is 4 or less, we round down. So we round up to 300, right? So 298 is only 2 less than 300. So that's not surprising, right? So this is 400, that's 300. Now we multiply and we get our estimate, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, right, you can do lots of things. 0 times all this gives 0 and so on. You might know that, look, 3 times 4 is 12, okay? And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros in this problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. And the answer is just 120,000, okay? Now, if you want to, you can go through all of the effort of, 400, 300, this 0 times this gives 0, 0, 0, and then put down another 0, and this 0 times everything gives, 0, then put down 2 zeros, and 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 4 is 12, and then add, and we get 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we can get it that way, or we can also say, look, 400 is 400s, right? 300 is 300s, right? So when you're multiplying, you could just multiply the 4 times 3 to get 12, and then think, okay, 100 times 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000, so 100 times 100 is 10,000. So we have 12 times 10,000, which would be 120,000. So there's kind of like 3 ways of doing it, right? But this is probably the easiest way. Look, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros in this problem here without any decimals, right? And so you're going to have 4 zeros in the answer, right? But it's good to understand other ways also.